Honorable Chairperson Madam, Madam Sneha Singh, uh, Satyam Group of Institutions, CA Pradeep Gupta, Secretary Satyam Group of Institutions, both the principals, Dr. Vandana Jaglan and Dr. Vinita Agrawal, other faculty members, parents, supporting staff, and dear girls. I extend warm greetings and heartiest congratulations to one and all. We have gathered here to celebrate our graduation day because this is the occasion where you will get degree certificate, and that would be a milestone. This moment will be a milestone for your next career. Since long you are in the institution, Satyam Group of Institution, and whatever you learn, you gain from this institution will be a long-lasting experience for you. See, those they are in fashion, they might have understood the vision of Satyam Fashion Institute. Vision of the institute is to emerge as a top institute with distinctive a complementary location and to be recognized as a leader in defining design and media education. And by employing innovation in all areas, I could see the innovation made by you since long when I joined SNDT and when I got a chance to be a part of celebration in Satyam Group of Institutions. Then I noticed whatever they did, whatever they deliver, whatever they made it possible to inculcate in you, it is of immense value. Because your management, from the management to the last person who are sitting before me, though he may be peon, he may be supporting staff, but including all, they are very dedicated to imbibe the values in you. So, your parents are to be congratulated, and at the same time, your faculty members and your management, they are deserved to be congratulated for running this course in Noida. See, since long, I started my career as a teacher, and I have that experience of 35 years. I can I wish to tell you that having good institution and good environment is an exceptional thing, because in education there are a number of institutes but they are not committed. They are making money out of the courses, but providing good facilities, creating a culture of education, creating a culture of value system, imbibing values is totally different. You will find n number of teachers, you will find big ground, big building, but despite all these things, it is very important to get something new, something innovative, values and everything. Nurturing the environment, nurturing the teachership in you is of immense value, and that could be done by Satyam Group of Institution, both Education Institute and Fashion Institute. Therefore, I expect from you, because this is the graduation ceremony, you are going back to the society and you have to deliver the same, what you have gained during your or over the period of your graduation. So, definitely, I am here to thank your management, I am here to thank your parents, because their investment is very important. Investment from the management and investment from the parent. Because of some urge, because of the trust they are having towards management is very important. And what we could see, you are going in the field, you will get some jobs, and in that new area or new space, you have to give it back to the society as well as to your parent institute. And definitely when we enter in the new field, there a young number of people will see what you have gained from Satyam Institute. आपने सत्यम से क्या सीखा, वो जहाँ पे आप जाओगे, फील्ड में जाओगे तो वो आपको परखेंगे. They will examine what you have brought from Satyam. And at that time, it is very important to have commitment and dedication. Because ultimately, whatever we gain from the institute, it is unforgettable experience for a life. And you will be giving, you are delivering to the, you can say that there will be a stakeholder, they will notice your behavior, they will see passion in you. They will see your creativity, those they are from fashion, and those they are from teacher education, they will see that how they are dedicated towards making teachers for the society. Because again, you have to give back to the society, and therefore it is very important. Rather, I could say that it's a challenge. Till the time we did not get, we feel that yes, I am having so many qualities. In spite of that, I am not getting the things as I wish. But once you get a job, then there is a big challenge. Because whatever you have learned from the institute, you have to give the interest to the society, not to this institute. But at the same time, you think about Satyam is your alma mater. And this alma mater with the values given by Satyam, you have to carry for a longer time. Because there is no comparison, there is no compromise when you enter in the profession. You could see the dedication dedication given or made by your management and faculty members. So you have to search yourself where you are able to stand. Ultimately, dedication, devotion, confidence, courage, everything is of course very important, but at the same time, your values will be very helpful to build your image in the society. And that is very important, and that's why I think in mission, it is written as to prepare talented students for professional career. Emphasizing learning through individual attention in positive oriented university empowerment. And even you might have understood the slogan or the motto of university, Sanskrita Sri Parashakti, enlightened woman. You know, the cause behind this establishment of this university, when Maharshi Karve started this university in 1916, in those days, 100 years back, long ago, way back in 1915, the literacy rate of women was 1.8, and that was the reason to establish this SNDT university. महर्षि कर्वे तो एक पुरुष थे, फिर भी उन्होंने SNDT की शुरुआत क्यों की? So that time the literacy rate of women was 1.8. See, think about his dedication. He was a mathematician. He was professor in Ferguson College. It is well-known college in Pune. But despite all these things, after his retirement, he started doing work for women's education. He started small unit. Through that unit, he implemented his dream and he materialized all the things in 4 mediums: Gujarati, Hindi, English and Marathi. He started small institute. Of course, way back in 1915, he approached to Thakursi. He urged to give some donations because he was in trouble. He did not have money, and then Thakursi had given 15 lakhs money in 1960, and he requested Maharshi Karve to give the name of his mother, Thakursi. Srimati Nathibai Thakursi was the mother of Vithaldas Thakursi. And since then, they are continuously giving money to the SNT. Try to understand the mission, the passion, the dedication of Thakursi Bharyan. And at the same time, we are talking about inclusion, because in 2024 there was a slogan for Women's Day. I think you might have celebrated that day. Inspire inclusion. What is this? I think there is no other example than SNDT Women's University. One man started university, established university for women, not only for one community, but for Gujarati, for Muslim, for minority group. And he implemented all his plans through 4 mediums. Today we are speaking about bilingual. Today we are speaking about R1, R2, R3. Because if you go through the policy, you will find that multilingualism, at least bilingualism. But Maharshi Karve in 1950 started imparting education in 4 medium. It's a great work done by Maharshi Karve. Try to understand inclusion. जेंडर वाइज देखेंगे तो महर्षि कर्वे एक पुरुष थे, उन्होंने महिलाओं के लिए काम शुरू किया. अभी हम लोग 24 में मीन्स आफ्टर 105, 107 years we are talking about inclusion, inspire inclusion. But what he had in way back in 1950, he was the only person to start Women's University, Women's Institute for taking education. This great work done by Maharshi Karve. So you have to understand the cause behind it. You are very unique because you are a student of SNDT. In future, whenever you will go, whatever you will do, you have to have these values. We are the student of SNDT Women's University. We are the student of Satyam Pasha, Satyam College of Education, and at the same time you have to reflect it. Then second part which I would like to highlight is about NEP 2020. You might have gone through the document NEP 2020. The doors are open. In the first para of the NEP 2020, first para says that there is need to instill the spirit of being an Indian. एकदम आप ड्राफ्ट खोलोगे उसमें पहले पैरा में ही आपको 2 लाइन पढ़ने को मिलेगी. वी हैव टू इंस्टिल द स्पिरिट ऑफ बीइंग एन इंडियन. हम लोग भारतीय होना, ये हमारे, हम लोग उसमें गर्व महसूस करें. वी हैव टू इंस्टिल द स्पिरिट ऑफ बीइंग एन इंडियन. और दूसरे पैराग्राफ में लिखा है वी हैव टू ब्रिंग क्वालिटी एजुकेशन, inclusion, equitable education. We have to align all the goals with sustainable developmental goal by 2030. That is very important. These 2 lines are very important in the entire document. We have to think, we have to reflect, we have to do, we have to have commitment to bring this inclusive, equitable and quality education. So there is it is very difficult to say that yes, we will try to bring quality in education, but where quality starts? You look into yourself. Intrinsically, you should have that spirit to bring quality in education. How am I having, or how I am behaving in the college? How I am doing for the society? What I am getting? First thought comes in mind. What I am getting? I am not getting enough money. I am not satisfied with the work. I am not satisfied with that. I am not satisfied with these people. These are not the answers. Because see, the document itself says that you have to be in the process, and definitely you should be very inclusive to bring a change. Now after this day, today is 19th March. On the very next day, you have to see yourself in the mirror before you. In front of mirror, in front of you, there will be a mirror and you have to reimagine yourself. What am I? Now I am entering in the profession. Am I justifying to my students? Am I justifying to my management? Am I justifying to my society? Am I justifying to my parents? Am I justifying to my teachers? Because teachers have aspirations about you. मेरी तो एक स्टूडेंट मेरिट आई है, उससे मैं अपेक्षा करती हूँ कि वो समाज में जाएंगे और अच्छा काम करेंगे, पर वो तो समाज में जाने के बाद अपना मेरिट भूल जाती है. शी may forget everything. what she has, what she possesses, and nothing will happen to the society, nothing will happen to the environment, nothing will happen to that institute. So we should have alignment with the task given by our society, task given by our ministry, task given by our institutions, and of course they have reposed trust in you. So you should be intrinsically motivated to do the justice to the children or to the students or to the institutions or to the society. So definitely God is there. He will bless you all because you are awaited for getting degree. So I don't want to be there for a longer time between you and this degree distribution. I thank everyone. I thank management, Sneha Madam, Pradeep ji for inviting me. It's very difficult for me to come every time, but this is the moment where I came, and definitely I am highly delighted to be a part of this graduation ceremony. Thank you very much, and all the best.